We build our towers high in pride. Steel and stone we used to hide. But the ocean speaks with thunder's cry, and mountains move beneath the sky. We think we rule the winds and rain, but we're just dust within the flame. Nature roars, she doesn't ask. She breaks the land, she shatters glass. With whispers in her ancient song, she was here before she'll last so long. The earth, her silent mind. If she turns dark, we lose the fight. We poison skies and strip her skin. For golden gain we sin again. But forests burn and rivers rise, a quiet rage behind her eyes. You cannot run the storm she brings. You'll bow before the breath of kings. On when nature roars, she doesn't wait. She cracks the ground and seals your fate. With shadows in her endless dance, a fleeting spark without a chance. Protect her soul. Protect her soul. Treat her with grace, or vanish without a single trace. She's beauty, fire, peace, and war. A living truth you can't ignore. She's not a beast to tame or own, but a mother we must not disown. When nature roars, there's no escape. No wall, no blade, no grand escape. Where children playing with the flame, calling storms in nature's name. So love the earth and hear her cry. Without her grace, we fade and die. Yes, we are small beneath her sky, but with her love we rise.